Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This Super Bowl Sunday Cryptic Corner Spectacular. How's everyone doing today? Happy Sunday, guys. Market's pretty lame. It's just fine for a minute. Everybody just fine. Take it all in. Take a deep breath. One more deep breath. Ooh. Okay. Alright, guys. Smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Sunday. I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably super duper busy watching the Super Bowl. I don't blame you. What's going on? Guys, Bitcoin, super duper boring. It's been very sideways. I guess the positive is that it hasn't dumped. We did spike down, grab some liquidity on some more tariff news. I think the market's pretty numb to the tariff news, though. Like, it happened once, it happened pretty bad. I'm hoping it doesn't get worse. This is what we grabbed. But let's zoom in and see what we can see after that. So below we got 94,893. And then above we got 96,776. And then 97,138. And that's pretty much it. I guess I can go down, I don't know, 94,530. Okay, and then let me make that green. I guess one more green down. Yeah. So it's been pretty lackluster. Pretty lackluster indeed. Bitcoin dominance making another break for 62. I like that wick to the upside. Hopefully we can close like that. It is holding this trend line support though, which is not good. That does not bode well for alts. There's also divergence. Percentage is going up while the RSI goes down, which is usually what you see when it continues that way, and we don't want that. However, we did notice the other day that there's a red dot, so we want to see if this plays out. That would be awesome. We basically want to see Bitcoin dominance die, essentially, so that way alts can have a chance at a bull run. I don't think that the bull run's over. I think the people saying the bull run is over are silly. Bitcoin dominance has never peaked at the end of a bull run. That's not a thing. So, you can take the FUD, whatever, do whatever you need to do with it. But I think it's silly when people say that the bull run's over because Bitcoin dominance is peaking. That's not how Bitcoin dominance works. ETH got a nice wick down with Bitcoin and everything else. Currently down 0.46%. Chilling right now, holding that nice legacy support line. Sol can't get above 200. It did for a second, and then it seems like this tariff news just kind of brought it back down for a minute. Total 3 also looks like doo-doo. Almost broke into our flaming pile of shit, which has no significance location-wise whatsoever, but it looks cool. ADA looks like crap. SNEK also looks like crap. XRP, it's kind of holding up. XRP is holding up pretty well. It actually looks halfway decent. HBAR looks like crap. SWE looks like crap. Wouldn't you know? Everything looks like crap. Ondo looks good. Ondo looks great. Profits on Ondo though. I wouldn't be afraid to take profits if I had them. Arrow looks like crap. Render actually holding $4 very well still. Polkadot flatline, I guess. It's looked like crap for a while, so right now, relative to what it's looked like recently, it looks fine. Cast looks like garbage. Avalanche looks like garbage. Chainlink looks like crap. Doge looks like crap. Polygon Pole looks like crap. Near looks like crap. Chili's halfway decent. Silver got a little bit dumpy. MicroStrategy looks the same. DXY got a little bit pumpy. NASDAQ and S&P look the same. Rest in peace, Ass Fractal. And Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully this resistance is it. Bitcoin itself, not doing a whole lot. Very indecisive candle here. If we close like this, that actually wouldn't be a bad thing. That could signal a reversal. The longer wick to the downside especially. We are turning green though, so it's trying. I feel like we've been here before though. At pretty much every day since this all started. And it just continues to kind of do the same thing over and over again. So, as of right now, nobody is winning the bet between me and Greg. Greg thinks we retest 90K before 108. I said I disagree, and I put $5 wager out there. He accepted. I'm saying 108K before 90K. As of right now, we are closer to his target than mine. So, the odds are in his favor at the moment. But I figured a little friendly wager would spice things up a little bit, make the market a little more fun. Plus, I do want to believe that I am correct. So I'm manifesting my victory, essentially. But we'll see what plays out. I got a couple of articles to read for you guys. So shield your eyes, because we can't have dark mode anymore. Apparently that was malware. XRP futures open interest drops 37%. Our altcoin traders jump and ship. XRP saw a double-digit drop in its futures open interest, but it's a sign that the altcoin's triple-digit rally is ending. But is it a sign that the altcoin's triple-digit rally is ending? XRP experienced a sharp 25.7% correction over the 7 days ending on February 6th. However, the $2.30 support level saw strong buying interest whenever it was tested. The 8% daily gain on February 7th, which brought XRP to $2.50, has not been widely celebrated, as professional traders have significantly reduced their leverage positions. The total XRP futures open interest, which reflects the overall demand for these contracts, has fallen by 37% since reaching its peak on January 15th. It's important to note that in the derivatives market, long and short positions are always matched. Therefore, a reduction in the total number of contracts should not be seen as purely bearish signal. However, a growing interest from institutional investors is generally seen as positive, as it tends to increase liquidity and attract more trading capital. To determine whether XRP whales have turned bearish, one should analyze the premium on monthly futures contracts. In neutral markets, these contracts typically trade at a 5 to 10% annualized premium to compensate for a longer settlement period. Two key points stand out when analyzing XRP futures data. First, the premium quickly reclaimed the 5% neutral threshold after the flash crash to $1.76 on February 3rd. More importantly, the annualized futures premium has returned to the bullish 10% level, even though XRP is trading 25.5% below its all-time high of $3.40. I will say, what was I going to say? I'm not sure. I don't remember what I was going to say. We're looking relatively okay as far as the white buffalo fractal goes, and I believe we looked at it last bull market in February during the Super Bowl. The day after the Super Bowl, we had a gigantic green candle to the upside on Bitcoin. The only thing that I think could prevent that possibility is this new tariff scenario, which wouldn't surprise me. There's a lot of political influence, a lot of political situations unfolding that are exterior influences on the market that are kind of screwing up everything, it seems. but that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It's just exterior factors kind of playing a part in this situation. Next article, shield your eyes. Strategies Michael Saylor posts Bitcoin chart after 1 week break. Data from Saylor Tracker shows that Strategy is currently sitting on nearly 15 billion of unrealized gains on Bitcoin holdings. Strategy co-founder Michael Saylor posted the Bitcoin chart typically posted by the tech executive on Sundays, hinting at another Bitcoin acquisition the following day. After a 1 week break in buying, death to the blue lines, long live the green dots, the tech executive wrote to his 4.1 million followers on X. According to Saylor Tracker, Strategy currently holds 471,107 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $45.3 billion, following its more recent purchase of 10,107 Bitcoin on January 27th. The company continues focusing on acquiring Bitcoin for its corporate treasury strategy amid a recent rebrand and sideways price action on shares of its stock. MicroStrategy rebrands to Strategy February 5th and adopted the Bitcoin logo and a Bitcoin colored marketing scheme to better reflect the company's ethos and core operations. Strategy is innovating in the two most transformative technologies of the 21st century, Bitcoin and artificial intelligence. Our new name powerfully and simply conveys the universal and global appeal of our company. So Michael Saylor's doubling down, and we'll see where that plays out. Another thing that I've been kind of throwing around is the concept of the first 2 weeks of February kind of looking like doo-doo, which kind of goes to show what the last chunk of January should have been, but that's not exactly what played out. So I'm guessing if we have some doom continuing, we're only going to have another 5 days of it. I'm thinking February 14th is the end. The end of the doom. I'm thinking this is the day that everything starts to look up. And I'm going to label this because last time I put a vertical line on the chart, I forgot what it was for. Flexa said, bought more SNEK, pulled the trigger on Plume, got some more Athena. If we dump, F it, tired of waiting. I feel the same way, man. I'm so bored of all this junk. I'm like sitting here, I'm like, man, I'm just going to move some money around and reallocate my bags where I want them and all that stuff. Flexa said, fresh week, fingers crossed. Exactly, man, exactly. The 14th falls on Friday, actually. So we might get a bullish weekend next weekend, which would be sick. But we'll see what plays out, man. We will see what plays out. I'm really hoping Bitcoin dominance gives up here. That's really what I'm looking for. I'm excited to watch Kendrick's halftime show. Ooh, I was wondering why my team wasn't sweet. And it's because all the honey was at the bottom. Damn. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my gosh. If you guys are into video game playthroughs, I'm going to recommend you go to my channel and watch my Project Zomboid series. It's been a ton of fun. There's been some really funny stuff happening. I'm like super awful at the game. So it's kind of a shit show, but it's an entertaining shit show. So if you're into video game playthroughs, go check it out for sure. Next article, again, shield your eyes. Pump Fund co-founder says most altcoins serve same purpose as memes. Expecting the same playbook from last cycle to work just doesn't seem realistic, Pump Fund co-founder Alan Cohen wrote on X. He said that most tech altcoins feature the same value propositions as meme coins, but come with low float, high fully diluted value, and the involvement of venture capitalists who are notorious for using retail traders as exit liquidity. Cohen was reporting to a post insinuating that the Memecoin launch platform derailed the altcoin price cycle and said that pump fun existed months before the altcoin sector experienced a downturn starting in April 2024. Retail was burned too hard last cycle to just come back to invest in the future of finance, Cohen wrote as an explanation for the April 2024 altcoin crash. Most people with day jobs don't give a shit about the tech. They care about personal fulfillment and want to make a modest amount of money in trading while having fun. The social media exchange highlights the growing tensions between tech-based altcoin investors' focus on utility and traders speculating on the price of assets without proven use cases. I think I agree with him. I really do. I don't think anybody gives a crap about anybody's bag specifically. I think meme coin people are different from tech people, and some people are in between. But I don't think that it's any one instance's fault. If anything, I would actually blame the utility memes from last bull market for this bull market's falter, because nobody delivered anything last bull market. Nothing. Including Ethereum. There was zero delivery. There was like utility that already existed prior, but I don't know. I think it's funny for people to come out and say it's your fault because of the thing that you made. That's stupid. Jim Derringer said Bitcoin going to be interesting tonight. CME open. Long pool below 95K liquidated. Flexa said nice. Scammers always going to be where money is, like vultures near dying animals, or rats on garbage, or flies around shit. I concur. Cheers to that. I agree. Guys, we got the daily close coming up in 18 minutes. Or I'm sorry, the daily close contest coming up in 18 minutes. So if you plan on participating, get your guesses ready. If you are unaware of how it works, let me know in the chat and I will fill you in on the rules. If you're interested in some merch, check out the link in the description. We also have various links that you can donate to if you want to support the channel. The biggest way you can support the channel, though, is smashing the like button and sharing the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. You guys want to keep seeing my beautiful face on this screen? You'll make sure that happens. That's the biggest way you can support me. Lexa said, eating my pizza, don't want to get grease on keys. Dude, let me see. Let's see, can I get pizza? Should I get pizza? I kind of want pizza. I was thinking about pizza earlier. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Should I get pizza? I feel like I want pizza. Pizza sounds amazing. I'm not gonna get pizza. I'm gonna make food and it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be just like as if I got pizza, but it's not gonna cost me $40. I'm not doing it, Flexa. Stop being the devil on my shoulder. I'm trying to conserve capital right now. The market looks like doo-doo, and I wanna buy the dip, man. Ooh, a calzone sounds good. Shoot. What if I went to the store and bought a calzone? I don't have any pizza food in my apartment right now. I have zero. I have like Chinese food and stuff. I got chicken. I got plenty of like snacks. I got just a ton of dinner. But no pizza stuff. What kind of Italian am I? I have no pizza stuff. Flexa said I spent 28 and I'm gonna eat every bite in one sitting. That's the way to do it, man. That's the way to do it. I don't know, man. The only pizza that I like to buy, because I could buy a freaking $5 hot and ready, or I could get it reasonably priced like Hungry Howie's or like just regular pizza. I don't want to do that though. I want to get Detroit style deep dish from Jets, and I want it extra large with triple cheese turbo sticks and ranch. That's what I want. And It's expensive to get that. But why am I going to get... I'm not going to half-ass pizza. You know what I mean? I'm going to get the big boy pizza. And I'm going to eat the whole damn thing. Just like you said. Shit. Okay. So it looks like Bitcoin is trying to go up. And Bitcoin dominance hopefully is trying to go down. We got one more article to read and 14 minutes remaining until the daily close contest, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are enjoying the Super Bowl. If you made a bet, I hope you win. And, yeah. I think that's it. Is the Fantasy League still relevant? I haven't checked on my team. Oh, man. That was fun, though. That was a fun time. I think I'm gonna participate again, for sure. I enjoyed it. Maybe take it a little more serious. I tried to go... Dude, I went all out on the stupid fantasy league. I got a hold of my brother-in-law because he's like super into it. I told him I got first pick, and he goes Christian McCaffrey. I was like, okay, let's do this. I picked Christian McCaffrey. You know what happens? Christian McCaffrey gets injured and does not play a single fucking game. 0. So my first pick was just wasted. Trash, garbage, out the window. I was so pissed. Anyways, let's read this article. Ethereum, an obvious buy, as accumulation addresses see record 883 million ETH inflow. Ethereum inflow spikes often precede rallies, like the 35% surge after February 2023's record inflows. Ethereum accumulation addresses witnessed a record surge in daily inflows on February 7th, suggesting growing confidence in the cryptocurrency's future price trajectory, despite its recent underperformance compared to the broader crypto market. Ether accumulators absorbed 883 million ETH in a day. Data resource CryptoQuant showed Ethereum accumulation addresses receiving 330,705 Ethereum, worth $883 million, the highest ever in a day. As a result, the total ETH held by those long-term holders reached a record $19.24 million. That marks a 20.55% jump so far in 2025, despite ETH price declining 20.75% in the same period. Accumulation addresses are wallets that continuously receive ETH without making any outgoing transaction. They may belong to long-term holders, institutional investors, or entities strategically accumulating Ethereum rather than actively trading it. Large spikes in inflows to these addresses often signal strong confidence in Ethereum's long-term potential, with recent trends showing that such surges frequently precede price rallies. For example, on February 26, 2023, Ethereum accumulation addresses recorded a then all-time high daily inflow of over 244,000 ETH. Nearly 2 months later, ETH's price rose almost 35%. We had to wait 2 months. A similar price rally succeeded in July 2024's inflow spike into the accumulation addresses. Simultaneously, ETH inflows into US-based spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds have increased, reaching around the same levels as November 2024, when Donald Trump's re-election as the U.S. president boosted upside bias across the crypto market. So much for that, am I right? A separate on-chain metric tracking Ethereum holdings across accumulating retail addresses further reinforces the accumulation trend. Notably, whale addresses holding between 10,000 and 100,000 ETH have steadily increased their balances. Additionally, the total count of accumulating retail addresses has jumped in 2025 despite the price dip. Noting that most of these entities are buying at multi-week low prices. According to CryptoQuant analyst MacD, these large inflows into accumulation addresses reflects expectations of DeFi regulatory de-risking as part of Trump's pro-crypto policies following his election, and suggests that smart money is likely to accumulate aggressively regardless of price. Market analyst CoinVo treats as a clear signal, I'm assuming the word "it" is supposed to be in there, that Ethereum is a obvious buy, aligning with Abra founder and CEO Bill Bardet's views of ETH reaching 1,600 during the Trump presidency. 1,600 is crazy. Oh my gosh, look at Bitcoin recover. They're talking about $1,600 ETH. That's kind of nuts. Am I crazy? All right, let's see. Flexa said rugby was on earlier. Proper game. Ireland versus Scotland. Vahid said fishbowl sounds good, but I was thinking a Super Bowl filled with nachos. Ooh, that'd be good, man. That would be so good. I want some 7-layer dip now. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe we'll get stuff for 7-layer dip. Vahid said Skittles is what they're fighting for. Makes sense. Flexa said I'm lagging. No! I like that Flex is still on dial-up up in the UK. He's like yelling at his housekeeper. He's like, "Did you crank the Wi-Fi?" They're over there like cranking the thing, and then they're like, "It's not working." That's how I imagine he talks. I don't know why. He probably didn't even have an accent. I'm pretty sure he lived in Canada for like a good chunk of his life. I'm sorry, Flex. I love you, man. Don't kill me. He said Chiefs coach looks like he works at KFC or something. Isn't that the guy? The Wilford Brimley looking guy? Diabetes. Yeah, this is the diabetes guy. Rest in peace, Wilford Brimley. Come on. Tell me that's not the same. That's the same person. That's the same person. That is the same human being. Wilford Brimley and Andy Reid are the same person. Diabetes. Holy crap. What a discovery. All right. Guys, we got 7 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. Get ready to submit your guesses in the chat. If you are unfamiliar with the rules, let me know in the chat and I will fill you in. But there is money on the line. Anybody can participate. Only one person will win. Or sometimes nobody wins. It is closest without going over. Flexa finally caught up. He finally caught up and saw the Wilford Brimley thing. That's the same guy, man. But he said Chiefs gonna win because Franco and Hoffs wants the Eagles to win. Jim Cramer betting on the Eagles. Should we place a bet? Can we place a bet? Is it too late to place a bet? We should have placed a bet. I think that would have been fun. That's pretty good, though. You got to counter trade the people that know what they're talking about. Don't the Chiefs always win? Ain't that a thing? Perez Plays said, "Let me guess, I'm late again." No, you are not, actually. You are not late. Oh, man. Oh, my nose is itchy. It's been kind of dry in here. I gotta get a humidifier. Flex is gonna make a joke about cocaine. I already know. I'm scared to itch my nose on stream, man. Every time I'm like, oh shoot, somebody's gonna say I'm on drugs or something. I'm too fat to be on drugs. If I was on drugs, I'd be skinnier. I got a belly though. I was just feeling it the other day. I was like, man, I can put my hand under this thing. Let's see, what do we got? Everything's down like double digits. Look, Near's down 4% almost. Wow. Cass has been performing horribly. Avalanche and Polkadot are recovering nicely. I'm impressed so far. The past like week and a half, I've been impressed with Ondo and Render. Everything else, like it kind of sucks. But Ondo and Render have been like really, really impressive performers. Look at Bitcoin. Perez Plays said, in real life, I'm skinny as hell. I've been trying to lose weight. I was walking on the treadmill like 8 to 10 miles per day. Walking, running half of it. And I think it took me like a month. I lost like 15 pounds, 20 pounds. And then I stopped doing it and I maintained my weight. I have not gained a single pound. I've been fluctuating between like 190 and 195. It's weird. It's really weird. I've been the same weight since like middle school. In middle school, I was fat, and then I like grew into it, and I just kind of stayed like grown into it. It was a fun time though. I got a question for my regular viewers that are here right now. What video game would you like to see me play on my YouTube channel? Because I like playing video games, and I've been playing games on my YouTube channel, and it's been fun. What would you like to see me play? If any, even if you don't want to see me play it, what would you, if you were inclined to click on a playthrough on YouTube, what game would it be? Let me know in the chat. We got less than 3 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. Let me get into our 1 minute chart. Zoom in. This is where all the price action looks super duper spicy. And it's really funny. Like this right here. This is less than 1%. And it probably looked like the world was ending right here. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to zoom into the 1 minute chart. Because when you get a big spike, you're like, oh! And then you realize like, oh, it's only like 1/10 of 1%. It's like a jump scare though. It's like a crypto jump scare. Perez said, do you have any family in the Army or in the Marines? I do not. My like grandparents all served in the military. Or great grandparents, great uncles, I guess. My grandpa served in the military, but he didn't do shit. He got like a Purple Heart for like cutting his hand on the barracks or some shit, and then he fucking went home. Like I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I have friends that served, are actively serving, stuff like that, but nobody's super close to me. I tried to enlist. I was actually going to join, I think the Air Force was my main one that I was going for. I tried to join the Army Reserves, and then I tried to join the Air Force. Neither of them would take me because I was born deaf in my right ear. So, and I was told, because the Air Force was like my fallback. That was like, those are the guys that are more than likely to take me. And they told me no. They said the closest I could get to serving would be a prison guard. So I've thought about being a prison guard. I feel like it'd be kind of fun. But I also don't want to die. So, and there's no prisons really near me. If I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die for my country. I'm not gonna die for some people being locked up in prison. Flex said you should do some RP. Perez said, I feel bad for my brother. Is your brother enlisted? Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Daily close contest. Get you guys in. There you go. Get your guesses in for the daily close contest, guys. You got 5 minutes. You're basically trying to guess what you think the daily close is going to be for Bitcoin on the Binance USDT chart. Press play said 47.92. Press plays, do you know what's going on? Bitcoin's price is 96,471. What are you guessing, Perez plays? You're just guessing for the daily close. All right, we got Flexa, we got Perez plays, we got Vahid. Perez plays, if you want to change yours, you can change yours. Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,454. The daily close is in 8 minutes. My fiance came in here. I just want to see if I'm lucky. Why would it go down to $4,792 though? It's at 96. It's at 96K right now. I don't understand the logic. Maybe I'm an idiot though. I don't know. You never know. You never know. Okay, we got Flexa and Vahid are actually pretty far apart. Why is Vahid so low? Flexa said this game is a load of crap already. This game or the football game? Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,516 and 58 cents. Guys, get your guesses in for the daily close. We got less than 2 minutes remaining. Oh. Copy. Less than 2 minutes remaining. We got 7 spots left unless you're a Cornerville Chad, in which case you can be number 11. And you can guess up to 1 minute after the deadline. Like I said, that's not a sport. I'm not allowed to have that opinion. 96,501 penny. Whoa. That's Flexa's right now. That was pretty damn close. Is he gonna get it? Why is it so pumpy? I told you guys, post Super Bowl, it's super duper pumpy. Oh, Perez Plays said, last time I got lucky because I just guessed. Okay, I got it. All right, I like it. I like your logic. You go buy a lottery ticket. Not financial advice, though. But if you win money, donate to the channel. I only want to be responsible if it's a positive outcome. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We got 7 people watching and only 4 likes. What the heck? All right, we got 5 likes. 8 people watching, though. We could get up to 8, right? We can get up to 8 likes. Here we go. 18 seconds remaining. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Flexa said, imagine first time I win, I nail it. That'd be so sick. That would be so sick. All right, time's up. We got 5 minutes remaining. Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,556 and 9 cents. Let's go take a look at VeChain. It's been a minute. Is VeChain recoupling to the legacy fractal? Let us see. It is not. VeChain looks like crap, just like everything else. So it did break below its little accumulation zone. Oh, Tyler said, no, I just missed it. F me. Tyler, you did have some time to become. You can become a Cornerville Chad. You got 15 seconds to become a Cornerville Chad and get your guess within the 1 minute mark. Chewy said, can't wait for the AI Bowl. Press Play said, who won? We won't find out until 7 p.m. EST. So at 7 p.m. EST, you find out. Chewy got his guess in late as well. Unfortunately, Chewy, you're going to have to wait until tomorrow to participate. You got to get in before 6:55 p.m. EST. Unless you're a Cornville Chad, then you can wait till 6:56 p.m. EST. That's when your deadline is. The Legacy Fractal is falling apart on VeChain, I will say that much, unfortunately. So let's go back to Bitcoin and let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. I wonder how long it would take for anybody to notice if I just started quoting Disney songs, like within the context of what I was saying, though. Tishu said, yo, did you notice B&B did well yesterday? I did not, actually. Chewy said, bro, I was watching the Super Bowl. Yeah, that happens. Everybody's watching the Super Bowl right now. Don't forget to smash the like button when you guys arrive. Helps the channel out a lot. I appreciate you guys for showing up, especially on Super Bowl Sunday. We got less than 3 minutes remaining for the results of the daily close contest. Who do we think is going to win? At the moment, it's looking like Flex is pretty dang close. His guess is 96.5 and 99 cents. Fahid. Oh, okay. Actually, if Flex is over, then Fahid would be the winner with 96.045 and 12 cents. Tyler said JJ sent you a pic in Discord. Let me go check it out. Nice. Hell yeah. I'm wondering if the embroidered hoodie would have been a good pick. See, the problem with the embroidered one, though, is I don't think I could do anything on the back. The hat looks so sick. Dude, I was going to order a hat. I was going to order my Ghost Evolution hat. But I think my head's too big. I think my head's literally too big. Because I have a soft tape and I measured my head. And it's like, I think it's 20 and a half inches, 20 and a quarter. Dave said, I guess 3 times, but no bananas for me. Yeah, damn, Dave. Sometimes it doesn't include it. Let me go to live chat. Yeah, I don't see it. Sometimes YouTube filters it out for some reason. I'm not sure why. We got less than 2 minutes. Tyler said Richardson hat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, though. It only goes to 20 inches. The one offered on my merch site. And I need an extra ½ inch. And I'm like, shoot. I don't want to order it and then have it be too small. That'll piss me off. So I'm debating on what to do. I'm trying to figure out what to do. I could get the mug. I want to get something that people are actually going to see on the stream. The t-shirt seems meh. I might just order the damn hat. Let's see, this is it. This is the final candle that determines the fate of the winner. 96.475 and 61 cents. Is it going to rebound and make Flex the winner, or is it going to go down and make Fahid the winner? If it goes down really low, then Perez Plays could potentially be the winner, but we would have to lose 96K in one candle. One minute candle. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We got 10 people watching. Can we get the 10 likes? I think we can do it. We're at 7 right now. Smash the like button. 30 seconds remaining on the daily close contest on Super Bowl Sunday, February 9th, 2025. We got Flexa, Fahid, and Perez Plays participating in the daily close contest. 15 seconds remaining. At the moment, if it closes at this exact price, the winner would be Fahid. He would win bragging rights for closest without going over. There it is. I forgot to do the countdown. The daily close for Bitcoin is 96,462 and 75 cents. That makes Fahid the winner. Congratulations, Fahid. You won bragging rights for the daily close contest. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Fahid. The actual price is 96,462.75. Very cool, very nice. Congratulations, Fahid. You did it. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat. For Fahid. Tyler said, a Richardson would definitely fit you. Your head would have to be ungodly big for it not to fit. It is. It is ungodly big for it not to fit. Like, that's a thing. My head is enormous, Tyler. I looked it up on where I sell my merch. It says, excuse me. It says 20 inches, max 20 inches. And I measured my head, and it's 20.5. So I don't think that the hat's going to fit my big-ass head. Flexa said Fahid gave Rihanna a banana and remind her of her name. Oh, Nana. What's my name? Touchdown Eagles. Ooh, what's the score right now? Super Bowl score right now. It says 0-0. Did the Eagles get a touchdown or no? Is they're still in Q1? It's freaking 7 p.m. How long is this damn game? Fahid said, how did I even win? What do you mean? You got closes without going over. The close was 96,462 and 75 cents. Don't do that to me, Fahid, because I've fumbled the bag before on the winner. It scares me every time people are like, I didn't win, and I'm like, what? Did I mess it up again? I think I did that to poor Hoffs like twice, possibly 3 times. It looks like we're getting some potential green here. Let me go out of the 1 minute, go to the 4 hour. Let's see, we got a big fat wick to the upside, which is beautiful. Flexa said Google is delayed. Yeah, I'm sure it is. They also, I think, have to say, yes, this was a touchdown. No? Nothing? Okay. Fahid said that's such a big gap. 3 times this year. Yay, thanks. Yeah, I gotta add you. I gotta add you so far. I think Fahid might have it. For wins. Let's see. Fahid. So from January, we got Fahid 1, 2. Yeah, that is 3 times this year. Interesting. Perez Play said, good job, bro. GG. Flexa said, Google is delayed. Fahid said, that's such a big gap. 3 times this year. Yay, thanks. Flexa said, Fahid won. He's smart. It always moves away from my guess. Dude, it was so close to your guess for a minute. Flexa said, one day I'll nail that some bitch. Fahid said, gotta get the exact amount. Dave said, next time I'm going to enter by the number of bananas I put in the chat. That would be so cruel. Dave, you gotta enter it like John M used to enter it. He would type it out like the word 1 and then 100 or the word 90. And then, how do you spell 90? That's a dumb word. And then the word 6. And then the word 1,000. And blah, blah, blah. Fahid said, who has the most so far this year? I was actually going to do that. Let me go look. So this year, we got Janix with 1. Janix with 1. John M with 1. John M with 1. Greg with 1, 2. Greg with 2. Fahid with 1, 2, 3. Brian Beinwald with 1. 1? I guess 1. Where was I at? Tyler Yetzer with 1. I think it's you, Fahid. We got Fahid again, and then Drew with 1. Yep, Drew with 1. Greg again. Jalom with 1. J Shear with 1. And then Dave D with 1. And then Perez Plays with 1. Waterfly with 1. Hoffs with 3. Okay, so it's tied. It's actually tied between Hoffs and Fahid. All right. Yeah, see, Tyler demonstrated the best way to do it. It's quick and easy, and YouTube doesn't filter it out. Flex said, oh, they flagged it, but they just scored anyway. Refs are at it again. Bookmakers, colluders, oh, 100%. 100%. It'd be too easy to make money that way. Are you kidding me? Like, if the outcome of the game was based on your say, you're gonna place bets, you're gonna get paid from other people placing bets, and that's it. You're gonna win. It's that easy. It's that easy. Guys, don't forget to congratulate Fahid for winning the daily clothes contest today. Looks like Bitcoin dominance might be rejecting, which means our alts are gonna moon. Let's go! Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Bitcoin's turning green. Fahid won the daily close contest. I might win my bet and get a whole $5 from Mr. Greg. Even Ethereum is a little bit green. Look at Sol's up 1.55%. ADA's up 1.73%. SNEK is up 0.83%. XRP is up 1.23%. HBAR is up 1.79%. SWI is up 2.28%. Ondo's up 1%. Arrow's up 1.12%. Render's up 1.54%. DOT is up 1.62%. Cass is up 1.61. Avalanche is up 1.25. Link is up 1.31. Doge is up 1%. Near is up 1.3. Chili's is up 1.03. And we're golden, guys. Number go up. Number go up. Rest in peace, Wilford Brimley, even though he's coaching the Kansas City Chiefs now. Fahid said, we got to have a good week eventually. Yeesh. Yeah, I'm looking for it, man. I'm looking for it. I don't know if it's going to be this week. I'm still standing by the whole beginning of February being doo-doo. But I would not be surprised if that was it. What we just went through was it. I'm liking the White Buffalo fractal. I really am. Plexus said, let's go, hardest you have sounded in months. Do it again. JJ got that secret rage. I get it. You haven't watched any of my video game playthroughs. I get pretty intense. The mic bottoms out sometimes, which I'm trying to fix. I set a limiter on it, but it doesn't work. Every time I yell, it doesn't actually like go through. It like bottoms out the mic. I can't do it on command. I gotta get hyped up. I'm not your puppet, Flexa. Let's see. What's gonna hype me up? I don't know, probably the market blasting off right now. That would hype me up. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Deck screener's broken. Maybe update the liquidation heat map. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Sunday. We're liquidating some bears. Fahid said, oh, Flexa, it was my kid playing Roblox. I have Discord on the machine, too. The machine. Dave said, do you have any favorite SWI meme coins? I swapped some ETH over, but haven't bought anything yet. I actually have not played around with SWI meme coins in quite some time. My favorite SWI memes died. Like, they're dead. They have like 12K left in liquidity. Look at that. Look at all that liquidity that we're grabbing. That quick, man. They're so fucked. I'm not even going to put that on the chart. We grabbed these down here. Those are liquidated. And now these are getting liquidated. Congratulations, Fahid. But he'd also said Roblox is fun. I agree, man. I like to sit down and we'll play Roblox as a family. Me, the fiance, and our daughter. It's a lot of fun, man. Oh yeah, we used to call it machine in the old days. I know, that's why I said that. On the machine. Man, look at that. That's so sick. That's disgusting. So Sui, in the past, it did this really big over arc, and then it did a little double bottom, and then it continued, and it flew up and did a really big over arc and a potential double bottom, and then it continued. Is that what's going to happen again? That would be pretty sick. That's what I would like to see. Flex has said, JJ, pull up Code X chain, that effing scam. Code CDX. Codex. MMXC. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Whoa. Shook Dr. Phil, man. Holy crap. So it launched, it rugged. It launched really high, and then it really rugged. That's crazy. It rugged, and then somehow it rugged more. It went deeper than the previous rug. The website looked like it was going to be a good thing. Then I realized too late that any AI can make code. Yeah, I think that's the biggest issue that we're coming to now. I will say this volume is impressive, this uptick in volume, but it could be bots at this point. I think that the future is going to be all bots and AI and stuff like that. And people are just going to like have their own that like do stuff, and like some of them are going to perform better than others, and there's going to be like, I don't think anyone's going to have any specific like class of income. I think everyone's going to go through every stage of income throughout their life. Some people will be poor early on, and then they'll retire wealthy. Some people will be wealthy early on, and they'll retire poor. And it'll all just kind of flip-flop, switch, and everybody will take turns being miserable. That's just a guess, total guess. RJ said, "Hey JJ, just wanted to say hi. Catch you up soon. Can't join just now as busy, but take care of yourself. You're one of the good ones, mostly. I appreciate you, RJ. Happy Sunday. Thank you for stopping by. Smash the like button on your way out. Cheers." Yeah, this thing, pretty spicy. Let's see, is Bitcoin getting ready to give it all back? Is that what's happening? Bitcoin dominance getting a little wick to the downside, a little ding-a-ling forming down below. I saw a creepy video of Tom Hanks. And it freaked me out, man. It's like stuck in my head. I'm like, wow. He's a freaking weirdo. I'm a little bit alarmed now. I'm kind of scared. Like, I think we knew he was a weirdo, but I never saw any definitive proof. I saw some proof, man. I saw some proof, and I was like, ooh, uh-oh. But that's a topic for a different video. Come on, green. Let's get a big fat green candle. That's what I want to see. Let's see what happens. Big fat green candle now. Right now. Flexa said, "Can you play it?" Can I play what? Oh, the video? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I could act it out. I'll verbalize it. He's like sitting on a couch on like a love seat, and they're like in between takes of some movie, and he's definitely probably like in his early 20s, and he's just like playing with his dick. Like over the pants, but he's like looking at the camera, and he's like, it's so fucking creepy. And he like, it's like a 2-minute clip. And I was like, what the fuck is this? It was so weird. And there was like a chick sitting next to him, like an actress, and she was just like sitting there. She was like trying to get away from him. It was so weird, man. It made me uncomfortable. It was creepy to watch. This is what happened. That's why I can't go on my Twitter anymore on stream, because there's been like, my feed is like crazy, man. My Twitter feed is crazy. There's like videos of people dying and stuff. I'm like, oh shit. I think during my 12-hour live stream, I was like scrolling, and then I paused for a minute to like read the chat, and there was just a video of a person like dying on an elevator, and I like looked at it and I went like, and I like had to scroll past it really quick. It was crazy. I can't believe I haven't gotten in trouble yet. Giovanni said, "What up, JJ? What's going on, Giovanni? Market sucks, portfolio bleeding, but JYAI keeps me sane." Yeah, dude, that thing's impressive. I'm surprised that thing held up quite well. It looks good. That's good, man. This is what you want to see out of meme coins. This is what meme coins should be. Not the PvP rug pulling nonsense. I don't know, man. This is awesome. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I'm glad somebody's not suffering miserably through this entire market. I do think that the suffering is coming to an end soon. How soon? I have no idea. No freaking clue. Maybe right now. That might have been it. That would be sick if that was it. But I don't know if it is. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, dude. It was a weird video, man. It was so weird. It was like it makes you uncomfortable, man. You're watching it and you're like, ew. Like you feel victimized afterward. Like, what did you just see? It's so creepy, man. It's so creepy. And this guy's like in every single movie. Giovanni said, "I love the shit on Total 3." Hey, man, it's working its way into it. The poop is working. It wasn't even placed in this position intentionally. It just happened to work out. Like, if this is where the poop ends, if this is where poop hits the fan, literally, like if the poop increases, I guess we could let's make this indicator. The shit hits the fan indicator. I gotta make a fan. What kind of fan am I gonna make? Of those? Shit hits the fan? Is that a cop out? Is that an easy cop out? The fan is usually, I'm gonna go with the ceiling fan. I feel like a ceiling fan makes more sense, because we want the price to go up. So the shit hits the fan, then everyone will be making money. Because that means the doo-doo price action will have lifted up. It'll increase. And we want the poop to hit the fan and then go and get flung. And then we'll all make money. And we'll all be up here in Poopville. Like, woohoo! Because we'll have broken the previous all-time high of $1.13 trillion. Right now, they're just kind of blowing the poop smell everywhere. And everyone's like, oh my God. Because it stinks. But when it goes up... fucking flux. When it goes up, it'll increase, it'll go up. I can't even bullshit my way through. Flex said the fan looks like a retarded fly. Oh shit. Oh man, that's too funny. Jonas Reese said hello. What's going on, Jonas? Welcome. We're drawing poop emojis and talking about fans flinging poop all over the place and stuff. That's not our usual banter, but it happens once in a while. Nice stream, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. Bitcoin dominance is working its way down. I feel lightheaded now, man. I have not laughed that hard in a long time. That was a good one. That's not true. I laughed really hard. Dude, we gotta do the edible stream. The edible stream is gonna be hilarious. Sol's up 2%, looking good. Total 3 is up 1.16%, looking good. ADA's up 2%. Heck yeah. I gotta check out my trades, man. Ooh. Ooh. Heck yeah. XRP's up 1.53%. HBAR. Ooh, look at HBAR's up 2.44%. Swee's up 2.7%. These are big numbers right now, man. We've been pretty mediocre lately. Seeing some decent upside and that nice wick to the downside. That's exciting. I'm excited. I think we're gonna get some good pumpage coming. If it's not today, not tomorrow, it'll be next week. I'm still holding out hope for this White Buffalo fractal. Worst case scenario though, I think that the doom ends on February 14th. So Fahid said just bounce already, alts. I feel it, man. I feel the pain for real. I still can't believe how I guessed the exact close of total market cap within 0.25%. That's crazy. That like blows my mind. It is nice to see an immediate reaction. Usually though, when we get a daily close, it takes like 2-3 hours for the market to pick a direction. So the increased volatility and the increased volume is definitely showing in the charts by us getting immediate reactions as soon as the close happens. So Swee's up 3% now. HBAR's getting ready to join it. What else do we got? Cass is up 2.5, 2.6%. Polkadot's up 2.4. Is this it? This might be it. The big boy bounce. What do you guys think of that barstool, jail stool or whatever? That's actually pretty funny. I think he just got listed on Kraken. Ooh, okay. Big fat dump on that news, it looks like. Damn. That would have been a nice short. Over a milli, going to bed, not selling tonight. Imagine people who sold. Interesting. Very interesting. Giovanni said it was a good meme. I like the was. I like it was a good meme. Don't know if I want any. I don't think it'll. I agree, actually. I agree. I don't think it'll go up much further either. It could. It might fly, dude. Every time I look at a coin and I'm like, it's not gonna do much. It goes to like 500 million, a billion, whatever. I don't really care. Look, what's Jail Murad? Oh, they're just doing jail memes now? That's funny. Jail Tua. I mean, this one's great. Okay, people reporting them to the SEC, though, that's kind of lame. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is the ultimate Karen move. This is a pretty weenie thing to do. You bought the frickin' coin. I'm not gonna defend those people, but don't report them. Like, what the hell? I don't know, man. A rat's a rat. That's all I'll say. Unless somebody broke into your home and stole your cash, just shut up. Don't be a crybaby, man. Now, if an exchange collapses or somebody steals your money or whatever, that's completely different. But if you get rug pulled buying blowjob coin or Murad's ballsack or whatever the fuck, that's your fault. Don't blame the people. Don't call the SEC. Don't call the police and say, the drug dealer stole my money. I was trying to buy crack and they never brought my crack to me. Because then you'll just end up going to jail because you look like an idiot. You're wasting people's time. Silly, man. It's just silly. SWE has these violent comebacks. Look at this. This candle was 11.36, 13.86. I guess in order for me to feel comfortable about a violent comeback, I would want to see something violent out of SWE. Maybe Sol as well. 4.17, yeah. Giovanni said, I bought like $10 jail Murad to see if it ran too. Facts. Jonas said true. Giovanni said, I'm dying over here. Murad's ballsack coin would go crazy. Dude, people freak out. Murad like sneezes and they run to collect the ooze. Like he'll sneeze or cough and people run up and be like, oh, trying to like breathe in his exhale, his excrement. Murad fart. That'd probably be a good one. Murad fart. I don't know why people worship him so much. He's an odd fellow. He is an odd fellow. I'll give him that. The guy's a millionaire. You know, he's made more money than I have in crypto. But he's a weird dude. I wouldn't want to like have dinner with him. Giovanni said SWE needs to run again. For real, man. For real. It was supposed to be the soul flipper. The soul killer. It seemed like it was going that way too. It really did. Their volumes, it's up there, man. It's up there. Flexa just said ew. Look at poo on Soul. That's funny. I don't know if it's supposed to be pronounced that way, but it's pretty funny. Poo. Ada, that's a good one. I don't know if that one's intended to be good in that way, but it's funny. iCat has been around for quite some time. It doesn't look like it's getting a lot of 5-minute and 1-hour volume, though. I guess that's my biggest issue is no matter what chain it's on, these memes die, man. They disappear. I don't recognize any of these. Deep, maybe. But Deep's at $442 million market cap. How much money are you going to get out of that? Cetus as well. I think this is an exchange coin. I don't know, man. Just the fact that you go on Deck Screener and it still shows majority of these being Sol projects. BNB does seem to be... Somebody said BNB did good last week. And it shows on Deck Screener, actually. People are buying BNB memes. So maybe that's why. Oh, there we go. Okay. Binance. It did. It's actually done good. It's green all across the board. Nice. But yeah, man. I don't know. I feel like we're in a decent spot. Congratulations, Fahid, once again for winning the Daily Close contest. We'll see what happens, man. But anyways, I suppose I'm going to call it. Happy Sunday, guys. Go watch the Super Bowl, watch the halftime show, watch Kendrick bury Drake for being a pedophile, allegedly. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. Happy Sunday. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.